In this video, we're going to cover a review and some feedback / updates on your Drip to BTC wallet, what to do if your conversion rates are too slow or too low, and what the future holds for the platform. So stay tuned.
Crypto chaos got you spinning, watching the next meme token skyrocket while you're still trying to figure out your next move? Flapjacks brings clarity to the chaos with deflationary burns, fitness-driven utility, and a syrupy community that sticks together. This isn't just another token, it's a movement. Why stress when you can stack? Flip the game with Flapjacks at flapjacks.xyz.
Hey guys, welcome back. Drip Coach here with Drip and Farm for Property, where we don't trust, we verify, and operate with integrity and transparency. So in this video, I'm going to cover a question that came up in my Telegram. Let's pull that up real quick. MG Crypto said, is there any plans for Drip to BTC? The conversion rate has plummeted. Any marketing drive planned? It looks like it will take over 2 years for my credits to convert at this stage. Now, before I get into my response, I can be transparent and show you guys what I'm sitting at. And yes, the conversion rate is slow / low. Even for me, I got $2,500 sitting here, 0.02 sats or 0.02 Bitcoin. And at the current conversion rate, that's about 4 cents an hour, which we can just round that up to 96 cents or $1 a day. So I'm looking at 2,517 days. So I can feel the pain. That's literally 7 years for this to come out. So yes, they are low, they are slow, things of that nature. But remember, this is in Bitcoin. So you could think of this as a high yield savings account. You're putting Bitcoin in here, and then you're getting out your conversion rate from those credits into Bitcoin. And the equivalent of something like that would be a high yield savings account, because what you want is you don't want to lose your capital. So the closest thing that we have in TradFi is high yield savings. You put your money in there and you get an interest rate on that savings account, usually 4 to 5% per year. So here's the top high yield savings accounts ranked on NerdWallet, and this is 3.8, 3.7, 4. So literally sitting right smack dab in the middle of what these high yield savings accounts offer. And these are the least risky ways to stack your shitty fiat. So by that comparison, I really can't complain at what I'm getting here, because I'm getting it in Bitcoin, not to mention that all these credits I purchased at cheaper rates than whatever the current market rate was. Yes, some of these were purchased when Bitcoin was at 96K, some at 60K, some at 70, some at 80, but the market rate was always higher than what I was getting it here in the marketplace. So that means when it converts out, especially if I'm looking at a zoomed out time horizon, and in my case, 7 years for this to convert, then I am projecting that it will be worth a lot more at the end of that 7 years, or, at the end of each year, however much converts over, than it was that I purchased it at. So you have to have a long-term time horizon. But yes, it is maybe hard to swallow that you don't have this coming out as quick as you'd like, but that is the nature of the game. So what I told this individual as a response, you can see here, the plans haven't changed. Marketing isn't a solo sport. Adoption spreads via everyone pulling their weight in Rev 3. I just did a video about leading to Drip to BTC. Conversion rate is based on the volume of activity. So if you want faster rates, I suggest trying to figure out how you can help increase visibility to the platform. Mystify just put out a video on his channel about an SEO company he was using to promote the platform. So TLDR, time, money, and effort is being spent. Question is, what are the individual users doing to help? Now, that wasn't meant to come off as a jab or anything like that, but maybe it did. But this is something I had to learn the hard way creating content. I always wanted somebody else to pump my bags. I always got mad at Forex for not delivering. I always got mad at, somebody else scamming, whatever the case may be. But the whole purpose of Web3 is that you are able to monetize engagement directly without a middleman. So when you're looking for your bags to pump and you're looking for something to happen, the question you should be asking, especially if it's not like Bitcoin or Ethereum or one of the bigger alts or whatever, but the question you should be asking is, what are you doing at the grassroots level for network adoption, for onboarding, for education, all this other stuff? Don't look at other people when you haven't done the work yourself. You're just sitting back hoping that you can throw money into something and get paid out of it. That is fiat. That is TradFi. If you want that, then go to the stock market, go to the high yield savings account, go to CDs, things of that nature. Go to someone that can give you a guaranteed payout at a rate that you want, but also inflate the currency and debase your value and the effort that you're putting into it. In the case of Web3, you get out what you put in, basically. So I could definitely be doing more content, doing more stuff, but I feel as a user of the platform, I'm doing plenty in my own regard to promote the platform. It's not in every single video, of course, because I'm trying to capture a wider audience, and then in every video description I have about the BTC platform. So it is still a viable option, but each person could create blogs, create content, get on Twitter or X, make posts, all this kind of stuff. And then, like I said, on Mystify, he just put this out. So he's basically been running a test for the last 3 months. It just concluded as of this video 8 days ago, where he was paying an SEO company to promote the Digital Crypto Solutions website. So his goal and how he's approaching this is trying to onboard the normies and bring visibility at the top of funnel, kind of everyone's searching for Bitcoin idea. So he wants people to come here and learn about Bitcoin, and then learn about the way to generate interest or earn yield on your Bitcoin via Bitcoin wallet. And then, of course, he has the white label solution for anyone that has a large audience and wants to invest in the platform. So he's promoting from that top of market fundamental location, and I'm doing content kind of at the grassroots level. So Digital Crypto Solutions is the umbrella company that incorporates all of the high yield Bitcoin wallets, such as Drip to BTC, such as high yield Bitcoin wallet, any of the others that are out there. And if you are a specific user of, say, the Drip to BTC platform, well, then you could promote the platform. Like, there's no specific incentive, like a referral link or anything like that. But you can, remember, we put this out here, the refer a friend option that's here on your dashboard, refer a friend. So you can share your QR code and get people onboarded. So especially if you have like a large, I'm not gonna say following, but maybe there's a business or an industry or something like that with people that are on payroll or utilize payment services. That is a great way to say, hey, get paid in Bitcoin. Transactions within the wallet are free. There's all sorts of opportunities in here. And I think right now Mystify is also trying to create a way to bridge the EVM compatible chains with the high yield Bitcoin wallet and the Drip BTC platform, so that you can use other assets to get into the platform, if I'm not mistaken. And then that could be used to link with other projects that, say, pay out their own inflated token on like a game or a DEX, for example. So like, say, for example, PancakeSwap paying out the cake token. It's like, well, instead, all of your users get a Bitcoin wallet, and then the yield is paid out in Bitcoin rather than in an inflated token. So there's tons of stuff being worked on. But if you are unhappy with the APY, and even though, like I showed you, it is comparable to what is to be expected for something of this caliber, then the only real solution is to get out there in the streets and onboard and share the word so that others can participate. And the more people that use it, then the faster those conversion rates go, because that is paid out by the people buying credits, people selling credits, as well as the deposits and transactions in between on the blockchain or on the platform. So the more usage, it's just like any other DEX. It's basically volume that helps to push the fees and conversion rates. So everybody benefits by doing that. So hopefully that provided some update on what's going on with the platform. There's also a forum that Mystify is working on. So make no mistake, just because you don't see a video from me every single day about Drip to BTC, or a video from Mystify, high yield Bitcoin wallet, or Digital Crypto Solutions YouTube channel, he is still grinding and building in the background, and this man never sleeps, and you can see the updates constantly, unlike other projects. This is as transparent as you can get, and it is built on the Bitcoin blockchain. So your wallet is on the blockchain. So I don't think you can have a better solution that's sustainable than what we currently have. So let me know what your thoughts and comments are, where you guys are sitting at with your wallet, what you're doing to help support and further the mission. All right, smash that HBO special, help a brother out, like, subscribe, comment down below. And until next time, live daily and achieve your possible. See ya.
Want to pay your in real life bills with crypto? How about send crypto directly to anyone with a bank account? Spritz Finance is a decentralized solution to be your own bank and connect your crypto earnings to real-world bills and payments. They do not take custody of your assets and allow support on multiple blockchains and Web3 wallets. Sign up below using my referral link and you will get $50 back when you make your first $50 bill payment with crypto. Additionally, I will be using referral bonuses to airdrop, donate, or burn based on community feedback. Sign up now.